In this exercise, you will learn how to form external threads in a mild steel MS pipe. External threads are formed using die. The tool used for holding the die is known as die stock. The three main types of dies are circular split or button die, half die, and adjustable screw plate die. Now, you will learn how to form external threads on a MS tube using a circular split die. Check the flatness on one end of the pipe using tri-square. Apply chalk over the MS pipe on the portion where the external threads have to be formed. Mark the end line of the thread using scriber and steel rule. Fix the pipe on the bench vise with V-jaws. Fix the circular split die on the die stock. Fix the screw of the die stock and adjust it to get the desired depth of the threads. Apply oil before threading, as this could reduce the damage done to the die. Keep the die at right angles to the pipe and start rotating it by applying some pressure towards the pipe in clockwise direction. Check the formed threads by fixing the suitable coupling on it. Thus, you have learned how to form external threads using circular split die. In this media, you will learn how to bend the given metal conduit. Locate the conduit bender on the ground or on the floor with the bending apparatus. Fix the given metal conduit into the bender and position the conduit where the bend is required. Step on the conduit so that it should not be displaced while bending. Pull the bender towards you to the desired bend angle. Release the pressure on the bender. Check the angle of the metal conduit to be bent. Adjust the bending apparatus until the desired bend angle has been achieved. Now, bend the given metal conduit at a desired bend angle. Remove the conduit from the bender. Install the metal conduit where it is needed. Thus, you would have learned how to bend the given metal conduit. In this exercise, you will learn about batten wiring for two lamps in series. The wiring and layout diagrams are shown. Mark the layout on the wall. Fix the batten joints as per the layout. Fix the switches and holders with proper connection as per the wiring diagram. Fix the lamp and test the wiring. In this wiring, two lamps are controlled by one switch. In this exercise, you will learn about batten wiring to glow the lamps dim and bright. The wiring and layout diagrams are shown. Mark the layout on the wall. Fix the batten joints as per the layout. Fix the switches and holders with proper connection as per the wiring diagram. Fix the lamp and test the wiring. When the switch S1 is on, the lamp L1 will glow brighter. If only the switch S2 is in on position, both lamps will glow dim. If both the switches are in on position, then the lamp L1 only will glow bright. In this exercise, you will learn about batten wiring to control a lamp using two switches. The wiring and layout diagrams are shown. Fix the batten joints as per the layout. Fix the switches and holders with proper connection as per the wiring diagram. If one switch is in off position and another switch is in on position, then the lamp will glow. When both the switches are in on position, or when both the switches are off, the lamp will not glow. In this exercise, you will learn about PVC conduit wiring for controlling a lamp from 3 different places. The circuit and layout diagrams are shown. In this circuit, 2 switches are single-pole double-throw switches. Another one is double-pole double-throw switch. This switch is cross-connected. From this wiring diagram, determine the number of cables required. And determine the length of the cables from the layout diagram. Mark the layout on the wall. Fix the PVC conduits. Insert the cables as per the wiring diagram. Fix the ceiling roses. And fix the switch boxes. Give the connections as per the wiring diagram. If all the 3 switches are in on position, the lamp will glow. If all the switches are in off position, the lamp will not glow. Assume that all the 3 switches are in on position. If one of the switches is turned off, then the lamp will not glow. Assume that all the 3 switches are in off position. If one of the switches is turned on, then the lamp will glow. Thus, the lamp can be controlled from any of the 3 switches at 3 places.